Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you how you can fix send and receive errors in your Outlook application. So if you're unable to send and receive messages on your Outlook application, then let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So let's go quick into it. So if after you have restarted your Windows and still the issue hasn't been fixed, then open your Outlook application. So once you have opened your Outlook application, you have to check your inbox. If there are a lot of items on your inbox that makes your inbox almost full or out of storage, you just need to simply delete unnecessary or unimportant items on your inbox. And how you can do that, just simply make a right click and then select delete or junk. So you have to simply delete any unnecessary items or unimportant items, especially those items that you have already read like that. You have to delete that from your inbox. Okay, so you can also click on your outbox and make sure that if there are items on your outbox, there are large files that you haven't sent yet, you can just simply delete that and resend it again. So that will work this time. And once you're done out of here, close this. Then in the Windows search bar, type in here services. Best match services. Simply click on that. And the services window will appear. So here in the list of services, we need to scroll down to the G section. G as in guava. And here we need to look for the service Google Updater Internal Service and the Google Updater Service. So what we can do, let's start with the Google Updater Internal Service. Make a right click on that and then you have to select Properties. Now startup type, make sure that you click on this drop down arrow and in the list of options you have to choose disabled. You have to click on stop if it is running on your case, and you have to click on apply, click on OK. And do this for the Google Updater service too. Make a right click and you have to select Properties. Startup type, disabled. Service status, if it is running in your case, you have to click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. And simply close out of here. And I suggest that just make a restart of your Windows. Simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, continue using your Outlook application. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.